So let's start with the tutorial. I'll first log in to the server. Here I have prepared a demo folder. So this is ICCAP demo. We have this CSHRC file which has the path specified for fetching ICCAP tool as well as the license of the simulator we will be using for the demonstration purpose. So for this demonstration, I will be using HSpice tool. So for initiating ICCAP, C shell, then I source the CSHRC file, then I invoke the ICCAP software. Okay, so now we have ICCAP open. So this is the status window, which will show us the warnings, errors, and all kind of status that will be taking place in the background while we simulate or copy paste data, export, import, whatever we do. So status will pop up here. This is the main window. We can see there are options like file, edit, tools. So here we have plot options, editor options, appearance settings. We can have light theme, which is right now showing. We can also have dark theme. Then this is for measuring using the experimental setup. Then we have this extract option, windows, and help. So in this help, you can find various sources like product information, technical support, examples are there, and classes are there. This is a product documentation to help you with the whole ICCAP software. Then we have this about ICCAP. So this is the 2025 version. Okay, so in case you need help, you also have this example section, and here you have multiple options. You have this, suppose I have MOSFET, so BSIM bulk, CMG, common multigate. Then we have high sim, BSIM 4, version 3, SOI. So various example files are there for your help. So you can look this out in the version you are provided with the college or your institute. So now we will begin with an example.